Rose quartz, with its delicate pink hue, has captivated hearts for centuries. Like a whispered promise of love and compassion, it beckons us to open our hearts. This stone is more than just a beautiful adornment. It is a symbol of love and healing. Its soft energy resonates deeply, offering comfort and peace. Rose quartz whispers tales of ancient wisdom, intertwined with love and compassion. It invites us to embrace forgiveness and cultivate self-love. Rose quartz is instantly recognizable by its charming pink color. This delicate hue, ranging from pale pink to deeper rose, is caused by trace amounts of titanium, iron, or manganese. The intensity varies, with some stones displaying a translucent milky appearance, while others boast a vibrant pink. Rose quartz forms in massive formations, not geometric crystals. It creates large interlocking masses of tiny crystals, giving it a grainy texture. Brazil is the primary source, with deposits in Madagascar, South Africa, and the US. The historical significance of rose quartz is deeply intertwined with its association with love and beauty. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, held this stone in high regard, believing it to possess potent magical properties. Egyptian women, renowned for their beauty rituals, used powdered rose quartz in face masks to enhance their complexion and ward off wrinkles. In Greek mythology, rose quartz was linked to Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. Legend tells of Aphrodite rushing to save her lover Adonis from a wild boar, cutting herself on a white quartz stone. Her blood stained the stone pink, creating the first rose quartz. This tale cemented the association of rose quartz with love, passion, and the healing power of the heart. Rose quartz is renowned for its gentle yet powerful healing properties. It is believed to resonate strongly with the heart chakra, the energy center associated with love, compassion, and emotional well-being. This crystal is said to have a calming effect on the emotional body, helping to soothe feelings of stress, anxiety, and fear, making it a valuable tool for emotional healing. Physically, rose quartz is believed to support heart health, promoting healthy circulation and strengthening the physical heart. It is also thought to aid in fertility, boost the immune system, and promote restful sleep. Many people use rose quartz to attract love into their lives, mend broken hearts, and foster forgiveness and self-acceptance. Across cultures and throughout history, rose quartz has maintained its significance as a symbol of love, healing, and compassion. From ancient civilizations to modern holistic practices, its gentle energy continues to resonate with people from all walks of life. Whether used in jewelry, meditation, or simply kept as a reminder of its powerful properties, rose quartz continues to inspire love, peace, and understanding. Today, rose quartz remains a popular choice for crystal healers, energy workers, and individuals seeking to enhance their emotional and spiritual well-being. Its versatility, affordability, and gentle yet powerful energy make it an ideal crystal for both beginners and experienced crystal enthusiasts. Whether you are drawn to its beauty, its history, or its healing properties, rose quartz offers a tangible connection to the power of love and its ability to transform our lives. The enduring appeal of rose quartz lies in its universal message of love, compassion, and healing. Its gentle energy transcends cultural boundaries, offering solace, hope, and a reminder of our shared humanity. In a world often dominated by negativity and discord, rose quartz stands as a beacon of light, reminding us of the power of love to heal, to unite, and to inspire. As we hold a piece of rose quartz, we are reminded of the infinite capacity for love that resides within each of us. It is a call to embrace love in all its forms, to cultivate compassion for ourselves and others, and to approach life with an open and loving heart. Rose quartz is more than just a stone. It is a symbol of hope, a reminder of our interconnectedness, and a testament to the enduring power of love.